Hey guys, it's Brandon, and I'm going to be doing a sound test of the MM1, the Bowers and Wilkins MM1 speakers. So I just got this set up. It took me quite a while. First I forgot the power cord, and then I forgot to go into preferences and to change the output into the MM1 speakers. So to get around the copyright thing, I found something I made in GarageBand like 4 years ago, so let's just see how this sounds. Okay, now let's try that same thing with the speakers on. So there's a little comparison. The second part was the speakers on. So Bowers and Wilkins say these speakers are best optimized at 3 feet, which just happens to be about the distance when you're at a desk and the computer's on your desk. So also these speakers are not meant for like heavy bass party speakers. If you want those type of speakers, you're gonna have to look somewhere else. Although they do have pretty good bass, they're best optimized at mid to higher range. So this has been a review of the Bowers and Wilkins MM1 speakers. Check out my channel, BnutProductions, for other tech reviews and photography tutorials. Thanks. Hey guys, it's Brandon here again, and I'm going to be doing a test of the Bowers and Wilkins MM1 speakers. So I just set this up. It's pretty easy to set up. Let's see, the power switch is on the right speaker. Let's turn this on. Let's see. Instructions. Forgot to plug in the power. Okay. I'll be back.